Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will solve the third question of long challenge of November, that is weird palindrome making. So let me open the question. So the question is, Navaj is from a tribe that speaks some weird language. Their alphabet consists of 8 distinct characters. So the first line is that, as we know, we have the characters 26 characters, that is A to Z. But Navaj, which belongs from a different tribe, and he has the n distinct characters. So then after, he has an array that consists of n numbers a1, a2, a3, dot 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 an, where ai denotes the number of occurrences of the ith character with him. So let me explain it. Suppose there are three characters given and 4, 1, 2 given. So let me take three characters, that is A, B, C. Suppose the characters are A, B, C. So it must have A 4 times, B 1 times, and C 2 times. That is A, B, and C, C. This is what the first line say, that he has an array where AI denotes the number of occurrences of the ith character with him. That is, the ith character denotes the AI, and that is the number of occurrences of the ith character. So with with these characters, he wants to make an palindrome string. Firstly, firstly the palindrome string is that, suppose given A B B A. So you can also read the same thing in from the reverse, that is A B B A. That is, if we reverse that number, that will be same. Suppose the number is 4, 1, 2, 1, 4, and if you will reverse it, that it will be the same number, 4, 1, 2, 1, 4. So these types of number are called palindrome number, and for palindrome strings, the numbers will be characters. Suppose R A A R. Then if you will reverse this string, then it will be same R A A R. So these are the strings called palindrome string. So I have to make palindrome string. I have to make palindrome string using all the characters he has, and every characters he has must use in the string. So all characters must use. So then after, given in order to make this possible, he can perform the following operations. That is, select an I from I barabar 1 to n. Select any I from I barabar 1 to n and convert all occurrences of ith alphabet to any other of this choice. Suppose I have taken 4, 1, 2, that is A, 3 characters of A, B, C, A, B, C, C. So here given that to make the palindrome string, select any I from 1 to n and convert all the occurrences of ith alphabet to any other alphabet. So for making palindrome, we can do that. We can suppose that taken B and convert it to C. That is, I made to B to C. So this is the step. He is the line this line trying to tell, that convert any string to make the palindrome. Note that Navaj just wants to be able to make any palindrome. So as long as every character is used. For example, if n barabar 2, a is equal to 2, 2, and we consider the characters to be a and b, and he can make both a b b a and b a a b. So there will be many palindrome possible, but we have not to make the palindrome. We have not to print the palindrome. We have to print the minimum steps required for the palindrome. So that is, the find the minimum number of operations required such that the Navaj can make a palindrome string using all the characters he has. It can be proven that There always see the input format. The first line of input will contain the number of test cases. The first line of each test case contains a single integer n, that is the size of the alphabet, and the second line will contain the n separated integer. And these are the constraints. So we must take the long integer, and it is granted that the sum of n over all test cases does not exceed 2 into 10 to the 5, and we have to. So let me explain the question. Firstly, if there will be four number, if there will be four characters, and there will be four numbers, suppose 4, 1, 3, 2, and then we have to make palindrome. So taken A, B, C, D, D, and I have to make palindrome. Then there must be there the minimum number required for palindrome is that all are even. If all will be even, then it will be easily possible to make the palindrome. Suppose A, B, and C, and D. Then it will be easily form palindrome. We can print like that: A, B, C, B, A, and that will be easy. But if there will be minimum one odd, then it will also be easy to make palindrome. Suppose there will be only one C, then we will replace it will. Then we can also put 2A first, then B, then D, and then C, then D, then B, and then 2A. That will be easily found palindrome. So there will be 0 steps if there will be all even, or minimum one odd, or all even. That is, if number of odd is less than 2, then it will be easily there will be no operation required, that is 0 operation required for formation of palindrome. But if there will be more than one odd number. Suppose I have taken 2, 1, 1, 2, then A, B, C, D. Then there will be one operation required for formation of palindrome. Suppose I have to convert. Suppose I have converted C to B. Then there will be then the new will be A, B, and D, and the palindrome will be formed. So one operation required if there will be two words. And similarly, we can see if there will be three odd, then two odd can combine to form one even, and there will remaining one odd. So one operation also required for three odd. When there will be four odd, suppose 1, 2, 2, then there will be two operations required to form two even. Two operations required to combine two odd, that will form even, and here also form even. So for four odd, there will require two operation to form two even, and that will easily form palindrome. So what we can conclude that if there will be n number of odd less than 2, then we can say that there is no zero operation required for the formation of palindrome. And if n greater than equal to 2, then there will be n by 2 operation required for palindrome formation. So let me solve the question. Let me see, is it right answer or not. So firstly, let me define long integer. Int long. Let me convert int to signed, and firstly I have to take the test cases. Suppose n is the number of test cases, so I will take n as input and run n times, that is while n minus. and I have to take input as n distinct characters, and I have to take two input, that is the first number of characters. Suppose I have to take n number of characters. Suppose I have taken capital N as number of characters, int n c in and capital N, and I have to take an array. Suppose I have taken an array int a, which is consists of n characters. So sorry, which consists of which is of n size, and I have to take input with loop. So int I is equal to 0, I less than, sorry, I less than capital N, I plus plus, and then I have to take input of array. And there will be one more thing, that we can count here the number of odd. So let me define a count, count is equal to 0. Let me initialize a count variable which is initialized by 0, and let me check if, sorry, if a of I, oh my god, if a of I not divisible by 2, then increase count by 1, and then after for loop, I have to check that if c count is less than 2, then c out 0, otherwise c out c by 2. Let me check the sample input, is it right or wrong, but we have to get 0 and 1 as sample output. Okay, what happened? Sorry, this is the count. Okay, let me run again. What happened here? I have put in, what is happening? I have done some syntax silly error. Okay, here also I have put C instead of count. What I am doing? Okay, I got 0 and 1. Let me submit. Is it right or wrong? You must check always sample input to get your syntax error. Yeah, it's right. So thank you guys for watching, and do like and share and subscribe for more videos.